this morning I took, you know how I had two of these ribbon air motion tweeters in here, and the upper mid range was just not right. You know, I'm kind of a perfectionist when it comes to building these little speakers, so I had some of these Dayton Audio pure silk domes that I use in my other builds, like Phantom over here, and all my other ones too. So I popped one of them out, put these guys in, and check out the wiring. I got this thing nailed. Boy, these sound really, really good. So what you have on the tweeters, it's all in parallel. So you take a resistor, and then I take the resistor, power goes into here. I've got one tweeter with one, I don't know if you can see this really good. You got one with, this is a 10 microfarad. This goes to here. So now this acts like a super tweeter. And then I've got an 80 microfarad right here. This one acts like a mid-range tweeter. And what that does is it just brings up the imaging for the upper mid-range. And now it sounds much better, much better. This just, it's a compression style ribbon. Excellent razor sharp highs when it's really, really high, but it has really, really not that great of lower frequency that I wanted that smoothness at, whereas these guys do it. They go, you can low crossover point on these guys. So didn't change the impedance. It's still 4 ohms. And yeah, real good, real good. Nailed it. 10 ohm resistor down there. I tried it without the resistor, and it was just way too overpowering up here. Now it's balanced. It's both the same. And these are used in my bedroom TV, AV, you know, laying in bed watching football, whatever, speaker system back there. Little lamp right there. So there you have it. Glad I did this. Now I just got to paint the little screw heads black and be done. There you have it.